Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and I want to show you how I remove magnification to this device. Firstly, open Settings application. In it, scroll and look for our accessibility, and there we must tap on our vision where we have our magnification right there. Now we must turn on it by switch on and select how want we activate it, maybe accessibility button, and you can add more than one if you want. And now we have our accessibility button, we press on it and we open our magnification. To change position of it, use two fingers and with it swipe on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, and when you use one finger you can only go up and down in our magnification. To turn off, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.